Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the different functions and formulas that can be used in Microsoft Excel.
What is cell address? The cell address of this 20 is C5. Cell address of 19 is D6. So, the cell reference means change in the cell address. In the formula for adding these three cells, right? First of all, equal to C5 plus D5 plus E5. The formula is shown over formula bar. Now, as I enter this formula and press enter key, it will automatically do the additions of these three. Now, as I bring my pointer to this point, it changed to plus. Now, as I am dragging over, see, the cell address automatically change or increase to C6 plus D6 plus E6. Now, as I further drag, it again changes the cell address. So, now we will discuss the different functions. First one is average. If I want to take the average of the given numbers, average, bracket start, C5 to F5. So, here is the average output. Next one is, now we will discuss the function count, equal to count, bracket start, C6 to F6. So, the value is 4. There are 4 values from C6 to F6. Next one is max. If I want to know the maximum number from these 4 values, equal to max, bracket start, C6 to F6, bracket close. So, the maximum number is 57. Similar way, I can find out the minimum value, equal to minimum is 18. Function is mod, M-O-D, mod, which returns the remainder when a number is divided by the another number. For example, equal to mod 24, 4. So, the remainder is 0, equal to mod 27, 4, bracket close, remainder is 3. So, this is the mod function. Next is product. If I want to do the multiplications of a particular range, equal to product, bracket start, D5 to F5. So, it will give the product from D5 to F5. Next is sum, that is total. We have already done it, equal to sum, C7 to F7. So, it will do the calculation of these numbers. I am discussing about the if function. If function is the conditional functioning based on which we get either one or another output. If F7 is greater than 40, then pass, otherwise fail. So the output is, as the 47 is greater than 40, so pass. Now have a look. I am dragging this formula to my another cell address, that is 38. The output will be fail. I hope that these functions of MS Excel are clear to you and how to use them practically. But still, if you have any type of doubt, you can message me.
Have a great day ahead.